Today at Access Fixtures, we want to take a look at an LED luminaire to see if it emits the same amount of light as a metal halide luminaire. With the emergence and rapid growth of LED technology, a lot of claims are made that the lower wattage LED luminaire can deliver more light than a metal halide luminaire. The only way to be sure is to do the math. Let's take a look at two wall packs that look exactly the same. The first is a 100 watt metal halide and the other a 40 watt LED. First, we need to know the lumen depreciation as well as the luminaire efficacy for each fixture. Lumen depreciation refers to the fact that the total brightness, or lumen output, of a lamp will diminish over the life of the light source. The average lumens emitted over the lamp's lifetime, known as mean lumens, is a more accurate measurement for comparing the two technologies. Metal halide and pulse start metal halide technology have an average lumen depreciation of 30%. This means that halfway through the life of the lamp will be emitting 30% less light than when it was first turned on. Lumens will decrease by over 50% later in the lamp's life. LEDs, on the other hand, have a very minimal lumen depreciation. Documented as LM80, there would be 80% lumen maintenance, or a lumen depreciation of 20% throughout the life of the fixture. Now that we have covered lumen depreciation, let's talk about efficacy. Just because a lamp emits a certain amount of lumens does not mean that the luminaire will emit those lumens. Light can be easily trapped or wasted inside of a luminaire. Depending on the fixture, total lumens can be limited to between 10 and 80% of the lamp lumens. Just because an LED emits X lumens does not mean the LED luminaire will emit all of those lumens. Light can be lost passing through clear or prismatic glass. Depending on the luminaire, the number of lumens emitted may only fall between 60 and 88% of the lumens produced by the LED itself. So, back to the two wall packs. A metal halide lamp emits light in all directions, causing lots of lumens to get swallowed up inside the fixture. LEDs, on the other hand, only project light in one direction. So, let's do the math. A 100 watt pulse start metal halide lamp emits 8,500 lumens. The luminaire has an efficacy of 42%. So the net lumens after efficacy is 3,571. Mean lumens reduce output by 35%. Luminaire efficacy drops by about 3%, giving the fixture 2,214 delivered lumens. The 41 watt LED modules emit 3,147 lumens. The luminaire has 87% efficacy, so the net lumens after efficacy is 2,752. The LEDs are LM80 at 50,000 hours. Mean lumens reduce output by 10%, giving the LED fixture 2,477 delivered lumens. So the verdict is in, folks. The 41 watt LED luminaire delivers 2,477 lumens, while the 100 watt pulse start metal halide luminaire delivers 2,214 lumens. The winner is the LED wall pack. Additionally, the 100 watt pulse start metal halide uses 125 watts, including the pulse start metal halide ballast. The 41 watt reduces energy use by 67%. So, if the 41 watt LED wall pack is used 10 hours per night, 7 days a week, and electricity is 15 cents per kilowatt, the LED wall pack saves over $46.20 every year.